I met her dad first at my school near the the gate while we were coming out of school, and just randomly, like I think उनका chain कुछ नीचे गिरा था. Then I gave it to him. Then like he said hello and we were talking, and then Srija came. So that's how we met. But तब तो कुछ नहीं था. It was casual. And yeah, so classmates थे बस. Then somewhere next year she left the school. And around like 6th grade, I shifted to another town, where supposedly like she was again studying there. I didn't know that. So, but as soon as I saw her, I know like she is Srija and all that stuff, because yeah, she used to be my friend, and yeah. So yeah, that's the story.
That day he came and met me. He was saying that, hey, hi, I remember you and all, like, you know. So I was like, okay. And then we were like classmates, and yeah, then he left the school, and then beach mein I came to know that he likes me and all, but I had to take time, and then we were like kind of, you know that we like each other.
I don't know what, like how did I know on something. Suddenly, it just felt that she is the one. कुछ start नहीं है उसको, कुछ feel नहीं है, no bells ringing or something. Just casual सा, just you look at her and you just know. That's it. We randomly, one day you realize that, yeah, you like her. Before that, we used to fight a lot. Used to hate each other a lot. Yeah. So then suddenly you realize, all this hatred and all, like the fighting especially, is due to, you like her and you wanna be like interact with her more. Yeah.
I went to my school for my sister some kind of dance practice. Then my friends were like teasing me. Then I came to know that he likes me and all. So I was like, okay. Then I don't know, somehow I just liked him, and that's it. I just knew that he's the one, and that just went on like that.
Very first week, I think Srija had told us about their relationship and how Abhi and she were together for around 6 years then, and it's been 9 years of their relationship.
The one thing which is actually unique about both of them is the love which they have between them. It's actually friendship. So when you have friendship with someone, nobody can stop that relationship, is what I feel, and that is really unique.
I've seen their journey from close quarters. I've seen how people who are very fond of each other try to make things work, get people involved in their relationship, know people from the other side, and make a very nice and cozy family among themselves.
they did have their own ups and downs, but it's so great to see two people fall in love and come together with so much commitment and make a great family with friends and personal wise too.
My first image, if I see them, is a very happy-go-lucky couple. If you see them together, you tend to get a vibe that they should get married for sure. So one thing that defines them is that yes, true love actually exists. They started dating in 2010 and 9 years is not a joke. So that is something peculiar about them.
His perspective about life, or and the way he thinks, he tries to experiment, and he's really carefree about what he's doing, and the same goes with Shrija also, and I think that's where both of them make a really good couple.
The way they get along and the way they stay together. They fight today and the next day it's like the fight did not happen at all.
So the other day, she was actually very busy at home because all of this marriage works, and they were making this handcrafted wedding cards to give it to their friends. So Abhi just called up in the morning and asked her to make wedding cards, to just wrap them and write the name to whomever they are giving that wedding cards. In spite of having a lot of work, she was still awake in the morning and she was doing that just because he said she was very tired. She did not tell him or complain anything about what she was actually feeling. So that amount of respect she might not show him because they are great friends together, but at the end she also has that respect for him. Abhi, Shrija, all the best for your future. Yeah, you might fight, you might do all silly things like every other couple do, but at last the only thing is, caring. So care about each other.
I literally feel very blessed to have my family. They understand me in and out. I feel pretty comfortable with them from the childhood days. It's the same thing with them. I don't need to say anything to them. They just know everything and do before me going and asking things. So I just love them so much. I know my in-laws from 1.5 years. They're pretty sweet, and I know them from 1.5 years, and I don't feel anything, much new kind of thing.
Marriage, it doesn't feel different, sitting here at the wedding today, it's not at all different, and कुछ change नहीं है, we meet daily. So we are around each other like almost all the time. You know, we do like sab those same hai. Everything is same, like, you know, nothing's different, nothing. Wedding is something, you know, one of the occasions that we are going to the next stage of life.
I don't need to actually say anything to him. Like, he literally knows in and out of me. I don't even ask him about anything, you know. I'll get it, like, even before I ask anything, like what I want and how I want to be, what I want to do. Like, everything is like similar, and he just knows like what I need, and yeah, I can just know that he loves me so much.
Very happy and that they have set an example for a lot of people who think that holding a relationship together is very hard. Kudos, man, you both are fantastic, and we're just looking forward to you being together for a long time.
It was such a happy couple. They both complement each other so much. I wish them all the happiness and love.
One more week, yeah. Goa is waiting. Let's go there. Yeah. Start something, you know. Start an adventure. Let's start an adventure. Yeah.
पक्का ना